What's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Facecam Pro, and this is actually take number 2. Luckily, I was able to get it back in the box, but I figure I would do this video again anyway because I just wanted to make sure to get this all on camera. So I'm just going to use one camera this time, but I've been on a waiting list for literally months waiting for this camera. And so I'm really excited to start using it. But in this video, I'm just going to unbox it. And then my next video, I'm going to show the settings and show how it looks. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to move my camera down. All right, so here it is. I'm just going to open it up. So I'm just going to open it up. This is what it looks like here. Like that. And then let's pull this out here. This is the easiest way to do that. All right, it comes in like this, and as you can see, there we go. And then here's some manuals that I'll never read, but it comes with the manuals. Looks like the cable is a USB-C cable on both ends. So if you need to get an adapter for your computer, then make sure to do that. All right, here comes this part where you can put it on top of your screen to hold the webcam. You just screw it in right there. And this comes open like that. All right, cool. And then the main thing, right here's the camera and everything else in the box. This is a normal insert. But here's the main camera. It comes in this little sleeve. You can open it up and let's take a look at this. All right. So there we have it. There's the front. Here it is. And to put it into comparison, I'll show you guys the older version. So this is the older version compared to the newer version. This is a 4K camera. This is a 1080p. And so the size difference is quite different. This one's definitely a lot bigger, but I'm really excited to start using it. All right, so there you have it. That's the Facecam Pro. I'll do a separate video with the settings and how it looks. But if you'd like to pick this up, you can go to the description. There'll be a link there. And if you want to find out more about how I use all this equipment to earn a living from home, go ahead and go to seekprosperity.com. I have a lot of other marketing resources you can use as well. So make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.